Hello friends, please welcome to Mr. Swarup tutorial, and in today's class we will discuss about the divisibility rule of various numbers. So give a heading, divisibility rule of numbers. So starting from 1, as we all know that each and every number is divisible by 1. So there is no specific rule for the divisibility rule of 1. So we will start from the divisibility rule for 2. So a number is divisible by 2 if there is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in the unit place of a number. For example, a number 85. Is it divisible by 2? No, because there is no 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in its unit place. Another example 78. Yes, it is divisible by 2 because 8 is in the unit place. As I said, if there is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 is in the unit place of a number, then this number will be divisible by 2. We can also say if there is a even digit in the unit place of a number, then this number will be divisible by 2. 68, here is 8 in the unit place and 8 is a even number, so that it will be divisible by 2. Next, divisibility rule of 3. If the sum of all the digits of a number is divisible by 3, then the entire number will be divisible by 3. For example, 5, 6, 7, 2. Is this number divisible by 3? How to know? We have to add all the digits first. So the summation of all the digits will be 5 plus 6 11 plus 7 18 plus 2 20. As 20 is not divisible by 3, this entire number will not be divisible by 3. I am giving such an example which will be definitely divisible by 3, that is 2 5 7 1. So the summation of all the digits will be 2 plus 5 7, 7 plus 7 14 plus 1 15. Here 15 is divisible by 3, so that the entire number will be divisible by 3. Next, divisibility rule of 4. If the number formed from the unit place and the tens place of a number is divisible by 4, so that this entire number will be divisible by 4. For example, 2 5 7 8. Here the number formed from the unit place and tens place will be 78, and 78 is not divisible by 4, so that the entire number will not be divisible by 4. Another example, 27068 4. Here the number formed from the unit and tens place, that is 84, and 84 is divisible by 4, so that this entire number will be divisible by 4. Next, divisibility rule of 5. If there is 0 or 5 in the unit place of a number, then this number will be divisible by 5. Example, 57085. Here is 5 is in the unit place, so this number will be divisible by 5. Another example, 56780. Here 0 is in the unit place, so it will be divisible by 5. So next to 5 we will know the divisibility rule of 6. As we all know, 6 is formed as 2 into 3. So the number which will be divisible by 6, this number must be divisible by both 2 and 3. So definition wise we can say if a number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then this number will be divisible by 6. For example, 72072. First of all, we will know, is it divisible by 2? Yes, it is divisible by 2 because there is a even digit in the unit place, or you can say there is 2 in the unit place, so that it will be divisible by 2. Next, is it divisible by 3? Yes, it is divisible by 3. How? We know what is the divisibility rule of 3. If the sum of all the digits of a number is divisible by 3, then the entire number will be divisible by 3. So the sum of all the digits here is 7 plus 2 9 plus 0 9 plus 7 16 plus 2 18. So here 18 is divisible by 3, so that the entire number is divisible by 3. So finally we found that this number is divisible by both 2 and 3, so that this number will be divisible by 6. Then the divisibility rule of 7. So it is a very lengthy process. Okay, look. So I am taking an example 675. Here 5 is in the unit place and we have to multiply 2 with the number in the unit place. That is 5 into 2 equals to 10, and the number except 5, the rest numbers, that is 67, we have to subtract this result from 67, that is 57, and 57 is not divisible by 7, so that this number is not divisible by 7. I am giving another example which will be definitely divisible by 7. 2401. Here 1 is in the unit place and we have to first multiply 2 in the with the number in the unit place, that is 1 into 2, that is 2, and the rest of the numbers is 240, and 240 minus 2, that is 238, and the same process we have to follow, that in 238 8 is in the unit place and we have to multiply 2, that is 16, and the rest of the numbers is 23, 23 minus 16, that is 7, 7 is divisible by 7, so that this number is divisible by 7. Then the divisibility rule of 8. If the number formed from the unit, tens and hundreds place of a number is divisible by 8, then the entire number will be divisible by 8. For example, 2512. Here the number formed from the unit, tens and hundred place is 512. If 512 is divisible by 8, then the entire number will be divisible by 8. So in manual process we have to know 512 is divisible by 8 or not. 8 6 ja 48, remaining 32, 8 4 ja 32. Yes, it is divisible by 8. So 512 is divisible by 8, so that this number is divisible by 8. Next, divisibility rule of 9. Divisibility rule of 3 is equivalent to the divisibility rule of 9. As I said that a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of all the digits of a number is divisible by 3. Like that, if the sum of all the digits of a number is divisible by 9, then the entire number will be divisible by 9. Example, 8 1 2 7 0 1 8. So first of all we have we have to add all the digits. That is 8 plus 1 9 plus 2 11 plus 7 18 plus 0 18 plus 1 19 plus 8 27. So the summation is 27 and 27 is divisible by 9. So that the entire number is divisible by 9. Next, divisibility rule for 10. If there is 0 in the unit place of a number, then the number will be divisible by 10. Example 65030. Here 0 is in the unit place, so that this number will be divisible by 10. So next we will know the divisibility rule of 11. If the difference between the sum of all the odd placed number and the sum of all the even placed number is 0 or 11 or maybe a multiple of 11, then this number will be divisible by 11. So for example, a number is 325629755. So here we have to know, is it divisible by 11 or not. So first of all we have to add the odd placed number. Here odd placed number means this number is, it is the first number from left, it is the second number, it is the third and fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh and eighth. So it is first number, this is odd placed as 1 is odd. This is second placed number, this is, here is 2 as 2 is even, so this is a even placed number. So like that we have to add the odd placed number first. So here 3 plus 5 plus 2 plus 7, that is 17. Then next we have to add the even placed number, that is 2, that is 2 plus 6 plus 9 plus 5. 2 plus 6 8 plus 9 17 plus 5 22, and the difference between this summation, that is 22 minus 17 equals to 5. Here is not 0, not 11, not a multiple of 11, so that it will not be divisible by 11. So I am giving another example. So it is it divisible by 11. So to know, first we have to add the odd placed numbers, that is 2 plus 4 6 plus 7 13 plus 6 19, and rest 3 plus 5 plus 0, which is even placed numbers, that is 3 plus 5 plus 0, that is 8, and the difference between this summation, that is 19 minus 8, that is 11, which is equivalent to 11, so that this number is divisible by 11. So friends, here we will end our class. In our next class I will come with various question papers on number system, so please practice on that. Okay friends, if you find my channel useful for you, then please subscribe my channel, like it, share it with your friends and families, so that I can provide you more videos on various topics. See you in the next video. Thank you.